Hi, everyone. My name's Melissa Tubbs, and I'm the president-elect of CT Colt, as well as the co-chair for our upcoming fall conference. Now, this year, our conference is going to be held at Dunkin Donuts Park in Hartford, that's the Yard Goat Stadium, on October 20th, and it will be a one-day in-person event. If you've never gone to a conference before, it's a really good way to recharge, to be inspired. I think we all need that after the last couple of years. And it's a really great way to gain some new ideas and strategies to use immediately in your classrooms. But today, I am here to encourage you to share the ideas that you have by submitting a workshop proposal for this conference. The link to the form is in this tip of the week. And I would really encourage you to consider it. The workshops will be 1 hour, and you can present with up to 3 people. And really, you can present on any topic you think would be worthwhile sharing with your colleagues. Strategies that you're especially adept at, unit design, themes that you feel passionately about as an educator, community engagement, social justice, teacher wellness, anything that's important to you and you think would be important to us. So if you've never presented before and you're intimidated by the idea, I understand. I was the same way when I first started presenting. Along with this tip of the week, there should be a link to a webinar that was hosted by Rebecca Aubrey and Jimmy Wildman that has some great ideas on developing a proposal. And if you'd like additional support, you can feel free to email me at tubbsm@ctcolt.org. And you can also email Rebecca Aubrey, our current president, at aubreyr@ctcolt.org. Thank you for your time. We hope to see you at the conference either as an attendee or as a presenter. And we really hope you consider submitting a proposal. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.